Never has there been a time when the total passenger experience has been more central to an airline and its operations. And as demand rises, carriers are faced with complex challenges to continue delivering a safe and reliable service that's good value for money, all while meeting customers' rising expectations. AJW Group takes pride in keeping aircraft flying safely, efficiently. We are the partner of choice for over 1,000 airlines, lessors, OEMs and MROs. Supplying, exchanging, leasing, repairing and distributing hundreds of thousands of parts every year. We know it's a complex industry, predicting what part you'll need when, negotiating extensive vendor networks, transportation, customs, incompatible systems and technology. We have mechanisms in place to simplify them all. With parts stored strategically around the globe, we use intelligent logistics to ensure they are in the right place at the right time. We forecast inventory needs, helping you to expect the unexpected. We have the connections. Our impressive MRO facility in Montreal, together with our relationships with OEMs and key strategic partners, allows us to be a single point of contact, saving you time, saving you money. We've developed sophisticated technologies to integrate with customer systems, removing complexities, reducing effort. Our independence allows us to be flexible and creative, fast-paced and dynamic. We have the vision to challenge your operations and find ways to transform your business. We are global, with teams all around the world ready to respond 24/7, 365, speaking your language, both literally and in business. We can be your analyst, engineer, technician, consultant. We are facilitators, integrators, and your route to market. Above all, a trusted partner. Driven by a passion for quality, we are forward-thinking, hard-working, and go-getting. We do more and go further. We innovate and we deliver. Together.
We are AJW and we are transforming aviation efficiency.